Sound in the background, that's my bread machine. I am planning a sweater. I already have the yarn that I'm going to use, and this is kind of the vibe I was gonna go for. As long as I'm buying less than what I use in total, like cumulatively, I think it's okay. This was going to be the yellow color for the top of it, and I did order more of this yarn. I was going to use this for the bottom. I think those colors look really nice together. My game plan is to take a shirt that I know fits me, and I was going to do shaping on the bottom by doing decreases. So I was going to make it in half double crochets going in rows, and I was going to do one panel at a time. When I had the front and back, I was going to join them on the upper seam, and then I was going to work the sleeves up and down and decrease on both sides. Top that the sweater is going to be inspired by. From the bottom we can see that half circle shaping, and on the actual sweater it's not going to be as drastic as my. I'm going to measure from underarm to underarm, and that will give us the length of the back panel. Pardon me, it will give us the width of the back panel. That is exactly 20 inches. This says to use a 5.5 crochet hook, but I'm just going to use a 6mm crochet hook. That we have a nesting doll of yarn. This is why I like to cake my yarn, but whatever. I'm just going to use it from the thing because this is really big. My vision is half double crochets, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do foundation chain of half double crochets until I have 20 inches. I will check back in with you when I have 20 inches. Okay, so 20 inches was 73 half double crochet, and I have finished this first one. I'm going to go back and forth, and I will see you after I've done a few rows. So for this sweater, I'm gonna do this golden color for 1/3 of the full length that I want the sweater to be, and then the other 2/3 I'm gonna do in that like mousy brown color, this one here. I'll have to take that measurement, but it'll be quite a bit of time until I get to the point where I would need to change color, because this is my 3rd row and it's not very long. So I just took my measurement, and I'm basically built like a square, so it's going to be 20 inches across and 20 inches long. Make the math easier on myself and say 21 inches long. I'm 4 rows deep, so I'm just going to take a measurement of this to see how many rows I need in order to get to 7 inches. So 4 rows equals 1.5 inches. I'm doing this simple algebra problem to figure out how many rows 7 inches is. The answer was 18.66666 repeating, so I'm rounding up to about 19 rows. This is interesting. It's not 20 inches anymore. I'm actually going to do a little bit longer than this in this color because I want this color to end below my bust.